Hi friends, welcome to Kalpana's kitchen. Today I'll be sharing mutton and dill curry. Yes, it's a unique combination and a healthy one too. You have taken 500 grams of mutton. This is dill leaves, we say shepu in Marathi. 2 potatoes, 2 onions, then ginger, garlic and green chilli. I'll marinate the mutton with salt and turmeric powder. And let it rest for at least half an hour. Here I'm cleaning the dill leaves. I'm taking the leaves and the fresh stalk. The rest we can discard. Here I have the mutton as I showed you had marinated. Here the dill leaves I've washed and chopped them. Then I've chopped the onions into big pieces, the potatoes into 4 pieces. And I've taken 1 bay leaf and the garlic, ginger and the green chilli I showed you. I made a paste of it. Now in a pressure cooker I've taken 3 tablespoons oil. So when the oil is nice and hot, I've added bay leaf and hing, that is asafoetida. Okay, now I'm adding the onions. I'll be frying the onions till they are nice and brown. Okay, they are good. The onion looks good, well fried. Now I will add garlic and ginger paste to it. Sorry, here I have taken black pepper and then garlic and ginger paste, the green chilli. I have not powdered the black pepper, I have kept them full. Now I'm adding the shepu, that is the dill leaves. I'll fry the dill leaves even thoroughly in this with the onion. Just give it a good mix. Okay, now it's time to add the mutton. The mutton was been marinated for more than half an hour. We're sure it's going to cook well. Okay, now give it a good mix and keep stirring the mutton till it changes color. Now we will add our dry spices. As we have already added our turmeric, I am adding red chilli powder and a Pathare Prabhu Sambhar masala. These are 2 teaspoons each. I'll be giving the detailed ingredients in the description box below. We had also added salt in the marination. So while adding salt, do taste mutton. Okay, now there is 1 cup of water. we had the ginger garlic in the mixer. So not to miss waste the masala, I have taken water in that 1 cup. Yummy, isn't it? I'm adding 1 more cup of water now. Oh wow, the aroma is superb already. The last but not the least, I'm adding the potatoes. I will leave the potatoes on top. Don't worry, they get cooked in the pressure cooker. And now I will pressure cook. I'll pressure cook the mutton with 3 whistles. Okay. There the pressure is out and the mutton is ready. Wow. Yummy. The aroma is just fantastic. Then see how the potatoes are well cooked. Wow. Now you can have it as it is, but this time I cooked it like this many a times, but now I'll be adding half a cup of fresh coconut milk. Okay, it adds to the taste and to the gravy also. And remember, we have added dill leaves in that. They're pretty strong. So to reduce the strong aroma, I've added this coconut milk also. It is just yummy. Do try this mutton with dill leaves and you're going to enjoy it. And you all know dill leaves are very healthy and they are good for everyone. A lot of vitamin C. So friends, if you've liked today's video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. Bye. Take